Alright, so this is sump pit. That's a sump pump. So that sits in the bottom. Of there. That pipe captures all the water that could seemingly come through the wall, drips down off the footing and into this pipe that's graded into that pit. And from that hole in the middle there's going to be a pipe that shoots out of my house. So all the way you have the same, this part isn't finished yet, you can just see it attaches and then water goes only on this side, drips down, drips into that pipe. But you do that all the way around. And here's some finished part. The weeping tile surrounded in stone. So all the water that could potentially have fucked up drywall from an old house now is collected and graded all the way to go to the sump pump in the back there. So all that work is finished now and ready for cement. On this side anyway. And that saves you from a headache. It was a headache, but it's going to save you from an even bigger headache.